Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about les articles indéfinis in French. In les articles indéfinis in French, it is divided into three forms. In English, it means that means a pencil, a ruler, an eraser, a sharpener. But in French, it is divided into three forms, that is masculine, feminine, and plural. In masculine, we say a, in feminine, we say une, and in plural, it is pronounced as they. A garçon, it means a boy. Une fille, it means a girl. Des animaux, that means some animals. Let's learn where and how to use indefinite articles. For example, a pencil, it is pronounced as a crayon. The second one is a pen, it means a stylo. It is masculine singular form. A book, it's pronounced as a livre, which is also a masculine singular form. A notebook, it means a cahier, which is again masculine singular form. A cartable, it means school bag. An eraser, une gomme. Now over here you can see the article has changed from a to une because it is feminine singular form. A ruler, it's pronounced as une règle. A pencil box, it's pronounced as une trousse. It is feminine singular form. Some sharpener, it is pronounced as des tailles crayons. Some books, it's pronounced as des livres. Students will be learning about this more in detail in our online classroom. See you all soon. Take care.